This is Madeline, and we are going to make some popsicles using Ella's Kitchen's peaches and bananas. Madeline, you want to help mommy? Yeah. You want to squirt it? You just want to eat it. Yeah. Okay, let's make some popsicles. So we're just going to dump this in there. And then some juice. And then stir it all around. You want to look? Yum. All right, and then we're just going to fill it into these freezer pops and stick it in the freezer. And then Madeline's going to have some delicious popsicles. All right. Madeline, is it okay?